it's summertime, and when the temperature gets into the 90s, it's a great time to enjoy a refreshing beer cocktail. Here at the Bink, 60 Henry Street in Brooklyn Heights, New York City, bartender Brian Crowder is going to craft 3 refreshing beer cocktails from Mark Addison's new book, Cocktail Chameleon. Information on the Bink and the book is available in the information box below, as well as recipes for this cocktail.
Here we have the Cap Ale. We will start with a glass halfway full of ice, 1 ounce of lime juice, 1 ounce of cranberry juice, 2 ounces of cranberry juice, 2 ounces of vodka, and then topped with a nice light American lager. Garnish with an orange wheel, fresh blueberry.